Alright, thank you for watching AIC off-road videos. I appreciate you coming to my site tonight. What I'm going to do is just do a quick overview of the new vacuum lines I installed and go over the one I need to fix. So I've been having a lot of vacuum leaks. It's been causing me to run rich and to idle high. So I've decided to go ahead and replace the vacuum lines on my, this is an 89 Jeep Cherokee, if you don't know that already. So just to kind of go over all of them, it comes in two parts when you buy it. This one, oh, here's the number actually right here. So part number is 46004 and this is 46003. Now this side's pretty easy to install for the most part, as everything goes right where it's supposed to go. These two fittings come right on. There's a, sorry for the poor angle, come right onto this piece that's screwed right into the intake. And there's actually three total fittings on there, but these two loops come right around and then loop into the harness here. This is a third separate one which was just taped onto this main tube, but this is for the fuel pressure sender. And then this is for the PVC, but it's not PVC. It's you know, the crankcase vent, CCV. There, crankcase ventilation. So that's a separate one. And then for this one, this harness, again, it's not too bad. This one just comes straight out and loops around and hooks onto there. And then the other three, one of which comes underneath and hooks into the EGR valve right there. Now this has a vacuum line coming off of it as well, but I don't know where it connects to. It didn't have a vacuum line. I believe this is my, if I'm not mistaken, my cruise control maybe? But if anybody can tell me where that would hook up to, I'd appreciate it. And I have some, you know, just some spare random vacuum tubing that can hook up there. And then I have the I have this up here, this vacuum line. This one I did not replace because it's still in good condition. And then this vacuum line connects, where did that one connect to again? Connects to this harness here. And then these connect, one of these connects to the valve through this harness. And then this hose connects through to the flap that's here. So this one was actually hooked up to, this one was hooked up to the bottom of this, or I shouldn't say bottom, to that stem that's hooking out, and then that hose that's hooking up there now was hooked to this end. So and then this was broken here pretty badly, really badly. It was broken here and then broken over here too. These were broken and the rubber on them was so loose that if you just looked at them funny, they just fell right off. But this is my main problem right here, and I've glued it on again. Could stand to throw some more glue on there just to make sure it has a tight seal. But it's broken. It's broken off. So right now it's being held on with some zip ties to kind of hold it into place, and then some glue. I had epoxied it, but the epoxy ended up breaking. So I don't know. I need to figure out a permanent fix for it. Obviously, some modeling glue is not a permanent fix for it because it keeps breaking. So I got a 98 cover here, but it doesn't have these ports in the back. It doesn't have this port here. It just has one port here on the side, which I could probably hook this one up and flip it and turn it here, or hook this one up, but it's going to be a lot of work, so I don't know if I'm going to use it or not at this time. So if I have anything hooked up incorrectly, the big one I have a question on is this valve here. Pretty sure I have that connected to the right place. Not quite sure what gets hooked onto that one there, or where that gets hooked to. So if you have an answer on that, I will greatly appreciate it. I'll get it hooked up correctly, and then it'll post an updated video with everything hooked up the way it should be. Alright, thank you for watching, and look forward to any comments or questions. Thank you.